how to use the State Farm website to locate account help and tools. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So need help with the State Farm account but not sure where to find it? Then don't worry, the State Farm website has everything you need from claims and payments to support tools. So you can just head over to your browser and then go to the three lines in the top left and then go to help option at the bottom. And here, if you have a specific question or looking for any information, you can see the common topics right here regarding managing your account, recovering your IDs, viewing and paying your insurance bills, and more. And if you scroll down further, you can explore the frequently asked questions regarding various categories like billing and payments, general info, auto, and more. You can just tap on it and then you can see all of the frequently asked questions. And you can see all of the answers, articles, and more. You can just tap on it and get the answers. But if this also doesn't help you, then what you can do is you can just come back and then go to contact us option, and there you will get phone numbers. So here you can either call or file a claim from here. So if you want to do payment, you can go to the payment category, you can go to the financial category, you can go to the general category, and more. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.